Bring an end to airborne contaminants in your car with the new cabin filter from Filterheads.com.
The cabin filter is located on the passenger side of the vehicle, under the glove box. Using a T20 Torx bit, remove the 3 Torx screws that secure the footwell panel to the glove box assembly. Disconnect the light from the panel. Remove the footwell sealing panel. Slide the securing tabs towards each other in order to remove the cover. Remove the old filters from the housing and clean out any debris inside. Install your new AQ1195C filters into the housing, with their airflow indicating arrows pointing towards each other. Recommended replacement every 15,000 miles or 1 year. Refer to your vehicle owner's manual for specifications. Reinstall the filter housing doors by sliding the securing plastic locks back onto the tabs. Reinstall the footwell panel. Reconnect the footwell light. Reinstall the bottom screws. Visit our website to order your filter to ensure that it fits.